That's an oldie.
But the thing is, it's still moving.
Oh yeah.
It's still moving.
Alright guys, so the diverter valve is installed. I did have the turbo outlet pipe installed as well. Unfortunately, I lost a lot of the footage of installing those parts and actually testing out those parts. But just so you guys are aware, the diverter valve actually made a pretty big difference in the harmonic noises that I was hearing throughout my car when I was on wide open throttle. The turbo outlet pipe, however, didn't really notice much, so that was kind of expected, but no surprise there. The other footage you've seen, that was a car show that we went to at West Highland Church. I was out there with Kyle. He decided to show up. A little bit late, but hey, it was a great day.
Better late than never, right?
That's exactly it. I didn't do an introduction because I wasn't actually planning on doing a video. It was actually a work function, and there turned out to be a bunch of nice cars, so decided to make a video for you guys. Hope you guys liked it. The other thing I actually lost, sorry, I forgot about this, was we lost a bunch of footage on the update that we had for you on Kyle's car, which I guess in a way it's bad for you guys, but it kind of keeps it under wraps so that we can release it all at once. And I mean, it's going to be quite crazy.
Oh yeah.
So that's another video from us. Like and subscribe, it means a lot. Thanks to those of you that have subscribed already. We're going to try and release a video for you guys once every week, get content, whether it's going to shows like we did today or doing stuff with our cars like we did last week. Or sorry, the week before. Last week was Spring Fling, so that's what we did. So we call the channel Beauty and the Beast because we've got the Beauty, and then Kyle owns the Beast. Yeah, his Monster R that's coming out is going to be something crazy. It's going to be worth sticking around for. So like I said, guys, subscribe to the channel. Look out for that. It's going to be pretty exciting.
And hey, I have a question for you. Which one do you guys like better? It's a toss-up between us. Do you like the white Golf R, or do you like the beautiful
STI.
gray STI?
Let us know in the comments. Alright guys, till next week. Still love this car. Love that car more though. Still love my car more. This is one of the reasons why.